What if I told you there's a way to invest in 500 companies, like Apple, Amazon, and Google, all at once, with just $10? Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's not. It's called an ETF, and if you're new to investing, this might be the smartest place to start. Let me show you how.
If you're new to investing, you might have heard the word ETF and wondered, what the heck is that? Well, don't worry, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down what an ETF actually is, why it's one of the best investments for beginners, and how you can start using it to grow your money, even with just $10. Let's go! Section 1. What is an ETF? So what exactly is an ETF? ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. It's like a basket of stocks or bonds or other assets. Let's say you wanted to invest in tech companies like Apple, Microsoft, Google, and Amazon. You could buy shares of each one individually. Or you could just buy one ETF that already includes all of them. Think of it like buying a combo meal instead of ordering each item separately. Section 2. How does it work? An ETF trades on the stock market, just like a stock. So you can buy it, sell it, and track it through your investment app. Like Robinhood, Fidelity, E-Trade, or Vanguard. Let's take an example. The S&P 500 ETF, called VO or SPY. It includes 500 of America's biggest companies. By buying one share of this ETF, you're investing in all 500 at once. Simple, right? Section 3. Why ETFs are great for beginners. Here's why ETFs are perfect for beginners. 1. Low risk through diversification. You're not putting all your money into one company. Even if one stock drops, others might go up. 2. Low fees. Most ETFs have super low management fees, like 0.03%. That means more money stays with you. 3. Easy to buy and sell. You can buy ETFs in your app, same as stocks. 4. Long-term growth. Many ETFs, like those tracking the S&P 500, have delivered 7 to 10% average returns yearly over the long term. Section 4. Popular ETFs for beginners. Here are a few trusted beginner ETFs, not financial advice, just for education. VO/SPY tracks the S&P 500. VTI covers the total U.S. stock market. QQQ focuses on top tech companies. SCHD, great for dividend income. You can start investing in most of these with just $10 to $100, depending on the app you use. Section 5. Final thoughts. So to recap, ETFs simple, smart baskets of investments. They're low cost, low risk, and easy to use. Perfect for long term. Set it and forget it. Investors. If you're just starting your investing journey, an ETF might be your best first step. Want to learn how to pick the right ETF for you? Make sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got a full guide coming soon. Thanks for watching, and remember, start small, stay consistent, and let time grow your money. Optional outro. Like the video if you learned something new. Comment your favorite ETF below. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy finance